Hey folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grissom and we have a fresh trade-in just for you. This is an incredible 2016 Honda Civic LX. Not only is it certified, but these babies are excellent on fuel economy. With wraparound headlights and taillights, breakaway mirrors, that Honda certification that gives it loads of warranty, and so many other cool features, this car is perfect if you need a second vehicle, starting college, or just need a new ride. So let's check out some of those inside features. Coming to the back of the Honda Civic, not only do we have a super cool backup camera, but we have loads of storage space down here, perfect for all your boxes, bags, furniture, or whatever you're towing. We also have a spare tire if you need it. The seats do go down, giving you that 40-60 split, but inside you're going to see we have the super comfortable memory foam gray cloth interior. Not only is this stuff very comfortable, it's fun to ride in. In the front, we're going to have cool things like your AM, your FM radio, your Bluetooth. We're going to have an econ mode to save you even more fuel economy, and so many other cool features I'd love to go over with you. But you got to come check it out in person. All right, everyone, this is a super nice car. Like I said, if you just need a second vehicle, something to get you to and from work, or if you're a college student, this will surely last you to get your diploma. My name is Sterling Grissom. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. If you like this ride, call me or text me. 724-717-1500 most of the week, 9 to 5. Otherwise, just come on down and see me. Because not only do I know that I'm the salesman to help you out, and we're your dealership, but this is your car.